X platform has various mechanisms in place to prevent users from accessing sensitive content, such as explicit or graphic images and videos. By default, X applies content filters to block sensitive content and provides users with the option to enable or disable these filters according to their preferences. If you want to see or hide sensitive content on X, here's how you can adjust your settings. Open the X app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon. Tap on Settings and Support, and then again on Settings and Privacy. Find Privacy and Safety and tap on it. Tap on Content You See option. Here you can decide what you will see on X based on your preferences. First, let's set up sensitive media that may potentially be displayed to you. Click on Sensitive Media. There are 3 items that can be adjusted here: graphic violence, adult content, and other. If you click on any of them, you will see that it is set to warm by default. This means that the X app will warn you about sensitive media and will display it with your confirmation. Enable Show All or Never Show this option depending on whether you want to see or not see this type of content. I will choose Never Show this. Then, go through the other 2 items and choose the options that suit you. But don't exit our tutorial just yet because we haven't shown you everything about sensitive content control. Go back one step. Here, click on Search Results. This setting prevents posts with potentially sensitive content from displaying in your search results. Enable this option to hide sensitive content. That's it. Remember to use caution and respect others when interacting with sensitive content on any platform. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe.